Alright, here in a new job, I'm replacing this floor with a new tile floor. It had laminate on it. Still gotta get that piece out. Tub is staying, not doing anything with that. Lovely wallpaper, not doing anything with that. Shower staying, not doing anything with that. I actually just opened this wall up. It used to be a solid wall. Putting a 24-inch door here. Let that in. The old door is right behind me, which leads right out to the dining room, and I rather have it go out to the kitchen, which makes a little more sense. So that's going to get boarded up tomorrow. But yeah, so they're definitely complaining on spongy floor, and as you can see, got a lot of a dip in it. So much that the ring broke off of the toilet flange. But yeah, I mean, we got lots of rot here. Everything's coming, I mean, comes right up. This is, oh yeah, look at that. Punch right through it. Right through into the basement. Look at that. So yeah, this the wax ring that was on it was definitely very bad. So I'm assuming it's been leaking for a long time. It's all the way around this whole thing. That's all I'm gonna have to get. Look at that. And this is 2 layers of plywood. This is ½ inch, I believe, and then I believe a 5/8 on top of it. So yeah, that's all trash there. So this whole area is gonna have to get replaced. Back here is fine. Mainly up to this back here a little bit. No. So I'll have to probably come back about a foot here or so, depending on how these tiles are. Yeah, we'll probably come back somewhere to here. All new plywood. So yeah, that's the fun I'm dealing with today. Right, about 30 minutes later, got most of the subfloor out of there. Let's see how much it was built up there. Got 2 layers. So under there is pretty decent. I lucked out. The shower lands right on a joist halfway, so that is awesome. I don't really have to do much there, and that joist is pretty solid. This joist, yeah, she's seen better days. So we're going to have to sister that one up. Same with this one here. Yeah. Gotta love rot.